Meghalaya Cricket Association dakshan kalay te'lok bat ka Vadodara Cricket Academy, lengba ka Baroda Cricket Association, ban hikai pentibet ya ki rang bat ki Thei Ialehkai cricket jong kejela, bat dang hakini ki kendiat sengi ki samla kan Thei ki bapo khat kendai senam karta, kila pendep ya ki jeng hikai pentibet, bat kila Pynkhreh menta ban let ban Ialehkai haka Lympung one day jong ka Board of Cricket Control of India.
Kini kekenhun Ialehkai ki kenthai bahapo khat kendai senam karta keladon mentah Bhubaneswar Iashim bentah ke Lympung Ialehkai one day ka BCCI. Kumjuru ki Thei Ialehkai balahe keladon mentah ke training camp jang ke Just Cricket Academy ha Bengaluru bala ajing ikai da ka RS Saranya. Dangshan ka Meghalaya Cricket Association kalia cekeleng ke jela jong kari ban wat jakan ke bentah ban penlong ya ki training camp jang ki rang ba ki Thei Ialehkai bakinyo Iashim bentah ke Lympung Ialehkai ka BCCI jang ke samoi ka bentah.
We are here in Just Academy. I'm the manager of Meghalaya cricket team, under-19 cricket team. So we have come here on the 1st of September, and then the place here is really great, and I'm so thankful for the MCA. They have given the opportunity for these young girls to explore new things. This is the first time the girls are having this opportunity, and then I'm so thankful for MCA for that. They are taking up a good step to develop these girls, and then so we will be having our tournament from 28th of this month, and then we will be having the tournament on Bhubaneswar, and then right now we just need your best wishes and lucks for our upcoming tournament.
So as a physiotherapist, I think the girls are doing very great. Their enthusiasm is great. The way they perform, everything is great. And then according to my whatever assessment and everything, I think they are all fit and fine and doing great with the upcoming tournaments.
It's been fantastic to have a nice set of girls, very hardworking, very enthusiastic, wanting to do something in cricket, and it's nice to see their enthusiasm levels, which is very high. And we have seen it's been a very good preparation time they had been here, and it has been, I hope it's very fruitful and has a good results for them in the future. It's a good beginning for them. I hope they all go on to become good, better cricketers, keep working hard and become better cricketers. I wish all the best to the Meghalaya cricket team and the state board for taking our ground, choosing our ground to prepare their team, and hopefully we would love to do and serve their team much more times in the future. Thank you very much.